Well, that's the storm we were talking about last week when we were saying we had Tropical Storm Ingrid in the Gulf of Mexico and Manuel on the west coast of Mexico, and we were saying that those storms are going to sandwich Mexico and maybe some landslides, and unfortunately that's what we saw. But for today here in America, we're looking at the last day of the summer season, last full day. Fall officially starts tomorrow at 4:44 p.m. And we're going to see equal hours of daylight tomorrow, so that means from tomorrow on out, we're going to lose daylight. So about 2 minutes per day until December 21st, which will be the shortest day of the year. And our earliest sunset will come on November 29th, the shortest day that we will see when the sun will set at 5:28 in the afternoon. Current temperatures today, fall-like temperatures today, daytime highs in the lower 80s. Currently, we're in the lower 70s. We do have some upper 60s on the map in Thomaston and Forsyth, even Monticello and Sparta. Temperatures, don't expect them to drop too much from this point on out. We have lots of cloud cover. Also, the rain is still falling in some locations to the south, but we will see more rain showers throughout the overnight hours, and the dew point is extremely high, so that's going to keep the temperatures pretty warm as well. Now, your current satellite radar is showing mostly cloudy skies, actually completely cloudy skies. Some light sprinkles out to the east, and also we're looking at some showers making its way through the southern communities south of Sumter County. That's also moving into Kristen, Dooley County, and maybe even to Wilcox if it holds together. This system looks like it's dumping a pretty decent amount of rainfall, so this is way adding to the rainfall totals. We have seen most of the rain today was right around Peach County, also Taylor County, Macon County, and down through Warner Robins, also the southern portions of Bibb County, where we saw at least an inch of rain into those areas. Now, your current satellite radar is showing that cold front that we've been tracking is actually pushing across central Georgia right now. So when we wake up tomorrow morning, we're going to feel a difference in the air, very much drier. The temperatures won't be too much different from today, but you will feel the dry air. And notice that the rain showers are going to continue to push down to the south. We still have some activity down in the Gulf. That is also part of one of those tropical systems that's wreak havoc on Mexico, and that's a big reason why we saw a lot of rain today, as that cold front tapped into that moisture, and it really opened the floodgates for rainfall here across central Georgia. Now, as we wake up tomorrow morning, expect another morning kind of like what we saw yesterday, lower to mid-60s, but I say as we get more into the afternoon hours, we're going to feel a difference in the air, as we will see more in the way of sunshine as well. And tomorrow afternoon, slightly cooler, temperatures in the lower 80s, maybe even the 70s tomorrow. We're going to struggle to get into the 80s tomorrow, but I do believe we will be in at least the lower 80s for tomorrow afternoon. So here's how it looks for the rest of the night. Showers will continue, especially for the southern communities throughout the overnight hours. We're looking at 1 o'clock in the morning, maybe some cloud cover for Macon and counties up to the north. But south, as we said, we do have some more rounds of rain coming throughout the overnight hours. And eventually that stuff's going to get out, and the rain is going to stay south of us. So that's new developments from yesterday. We're expecting that cold front to push a little further south. We was expecting it to stall out right across central Georgia, but this definitely is good news, because that's going to allow us to enjoy the sunny skies and maybe even some fall-like weather as we progress throughout the next 7 days. And maybe we may see some rain make its way back into the forecast on Wednesday, but other than that, I think we're going to stay dry, making our way throughout the next 7 days. Here's what we're expecting throughout the rest of the weekend, and mainly just throughout the rest of tonight and the early morning hours, at least a ½ inch of rain across the viewing area. 7-day forecast, fall kicks off tomorrow, as we said, at 4:44 p.m. Temperatures in the lower 80s, and they kind of pretty much stay in the lower 80s for the next 7 days. We're going to see lots of sunshine throughout the week. Very, very small chance of rain on Monday, Tuesday. I didn't even want to put it on, and I think we'll see more sun than rain showers. Wednesday is the best chance that we see any type of rain showers, and then from that point on out, begin to dry up again until the clouds roll back in for next weekend. Fish and game forecast calls for 2 peaks, one in the excellent range at 4:20, another in the good range at 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So